Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add a clickable link to TikTok bio. So first, you just have to simply look for the specific link that you want to add to your TikTok. For example, this Facebook profile. So you have to launch your Facebook profile. You have to go to your profile right here, tap the name of your profile, and as you can see, this three dots beside edit profile, you have to click this one. And then you have to scroll down till you see this share profile or copy profile link. Once you copy your profile link, you can now open or launch your TikTok application. And then this time, you have to go to your profile. Tap this profile at the bottom right corner. Here you will see these options below your username edit profile. You have to click that one and scroll down till you see this add a bio right here. Tap this and you can paste the link from your Facebook or your Facebook profile link. Or you can also add other links here like your Instagram, your Twitter, or other social media platform or your other website if you want. Once done, you can go back to your profile and here you have added a clickable link to your TikTok bio. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.